Hi, today for Infinity Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application. And now in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why I tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app. And here click yes, I agree. You close. Tap to OK here. And now we can see information about our battery temperature, that's 32 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, model, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.